Welcome to DIY Spooky Decor. This week's craft is a pumpkin topiary using mostly all Dollar Tree products. So the two glass candlestick stands, I'll be spray painting those black, and then we have these three pumpkins that have holes in the bottom so you can stack them. We're going to be painting those orange. I did 2 coats each. I distressed them with a really heavy coat of black paint. So if you're not going to distress them, I would suggest doing maybe 3 or 4 coats of your color, whatever you choose. On a side note, I don't know why they call it a topiary, because a topiary is like a crafted shrub or a bush, something that you cut and form into a certain shape, I believe. So I would think this would be like a pumpkin tower, not a pumpkin topiary, but here we are. Anyway, we're painting our pumpkins orange. You get it? Got it? Good. Yay, we have orange pumpkins. Now that they're painted and dry, I am going to put some watered down black paint on them and then wipe it off with a paper towel. I want most of it left in the crevices so it gets that really dingy, distressed look going on. But I do go back with a second coat on all of these because I wanted it really dark. I might end up making a few more pumpkin towers or pumpkin topiaries because I have some different designs I want to play with. I want to do some black and white, circusy themed looking pumpkin towers. So I might do that pretty soon here. Not including the paint or adhesive, this turns out to be a $6 project. Now I just plucked these leaves off of a wreath that I got from the Dollar Tree as well, and then I put 2 coats of black paint on them just to darken them up a little bit because they were just a little too vibrant for the style I was going for. My cat is on the keyboard, gonna mess things up, yeah, 'cause I'm a kitty cat. That was my song to my cat. 'Cause you're a kitty cat. You do what you want. Okay, here it is. Yay. So just put hot glue on there and put the leaves on it, and then you can't see it in this part, but you'll see it in the next part. Just put some glue on the bottom of the pumpkin, and yeah. I did a double tower with a large pumpkin and a smaller pumpkin, and then I do the single pumpkin tower as well with the shorter pumpkin. Glue it on another leaf, and there we go. Yup, there it is. And once that dries in a minute, it is done. You can put a top coat on it if you want. I didn't bother with these, but that's totally up to you. There are so many ways you can customize these, which I think is a lot of fun and very cool for Halloween, You get it. I messed with this one quite a bit because I wanted it center and I couldn't get it centered. And here we are, the finished product, two super cute pumpkin towers or pumpkin topiaries. This comes in at $6 for me. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit that like button if you haven't already. With spooky season right around the corner, more stuff is coming your way. Until next time, stay spooky.